Hey everybody, this is David Mahaska with David Mahaska Racing, Phil Racing, and the Budget Pro Mod channel. Today I'm going to be finally putting these heads together with shims, but I got a tight intake guide, a little bit snug. I'm going to show you how I fix it right now. Alright, so this one here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just, it doesn't really fall out of there. I gotta give it some, see, a little bit of push there, and it just feels, it's just a little bit sticky, like right, it's just ever so slight. Most people may not even worry about it, but it's just, it should be like that, right? Even that's got to go snug to it. So I'll just show you. So they should just fall out of there, just like that. This one's just got a little tight spot. Right there. Right there. Anyway, so what I do to fix that, I got a rat tail file here, a round file, rat tail. I got some 400 sandpaper that's been deadened a bit. So what I do is, because this is smaller than the hole in here, so this is like 8 mil. Oh, there goes the heater. But anyway, so you just sort of wrap it around, sort of coil it around like that. All right, here we go. So I'll take this and then I'll wrap it tightly. Especially at the end here. Oop. So I coil it like that, and then I'll put it into the guide. Let's try this again. Actually, I'll put it for the other side. Easier, probably. Wow, this is hard. There we go. And then I roll it in. All right. All right, so I got it in there. And all I do and I just sort of work it down. And just work it in there, just a little bit. Just take a couple, maybe a tenth off or something like that. And just roll it around. It's just 400 sandpaper, so and just go back and forth. Like that. And you'll pick up some junk. And then here. There we go. Just now it comes in and out. Just a few strokes. You can see the brass on there, the bronze, I guess. Just a few strokes, and it just got rid of any high spots. And then I'll just go through the rest of them, make sure there's no other. I thought I felt this one's kind of snug. Right there. We'll do that one yet. And all the rest are good. This is final assembly and cleaning, and then I'll height mic and then shim it. So I may record that. We'll see how things go for time. All right. This is David Mahaska with David Mahaska Racing, Phil Racing, and the Budget Pro Mod channel. Peace out.